Hello, fourth graders. This is Miss Kovarik, and I'm here to spin the wheel to see who our pizza winner is for this week. We wanted to let you know that you're doing an awesome job working hard on all your assignments, and we can't wait to see you soon. We hope we'll be able to see you before the end of the year. If you need help with anything, if you want just a teacher to be there with you while you do your work, please make sure you're using the Zoom schedule. There's a teacher online on Zoom all day long waiting for you guys to log on and ask for help. So please use that. We're here for you. We want to help you be successful. All right, let's see who won. Congratulations. We will be in touch with the pizza. Goodbye, guys. Have a great day.